non pen ke digital portal news channel akimi ingpu Longle lo jong si ingpu ji polote ke adnf atum si verify ponpo laso apisi dipro atum dengpo Karbi Anglong along ri hampang asong ki ong asong thotsi media house ta ki ong lakhaun eset ahok lo media news channel ki ong lake isi ke mesan ang theklo media ki jui jama joksi maduta ke no asai chupang limpen cheng lok kachire mek mate chirok tok abangke donang koklo athe majok ta lam ki lampong nong no ke rata chataya long chiklang ingchungte bonta media hampang ki ongaret ajoine claim jam dam jamsi isi discipline avedera jok ajaha katum methangale ajoine ke claim nang ni akam anta claim da titia jok nong no ke media claim bang atum si chudeng nang kok titilo journalist certificate journalist experience le avidet sita komatni abang phu jongjung channel ki mi chingpupo kopanni atum banghini bagathom chilang po channel ki mi chingpupo bangso channel amen pen tangka ke hang demand ke ther ke hap lapsonalam ki ke chethansi joklotlo anparta ajak press media pu kachekrong atum media knowledge experience ka be atum si ke ong seta media amen pen cheparo ka titipo anong noke angtona media lo anparta ajak ka channel atum methanga channel trp ka paong chia joine kalili kalanglang upload po lapen kumatne ke hem totlun pensi Facebook along video chonghudun po kumatne a channel along news visual chonghudun si methang channel along news selam pen upload dia tum tado hala media ethik ateng news ki pi chetonte katherak nang ke media aham phang lasi lahai asai lang no pen ke khangji pura Karbianglong digital news forum mate thiak pen KADNF atum RDN ponsi district information publics and relation officer DIPRO utpal dimasa arireng pinpura lo pajirtam bangso pinpura lo along ki jong atengsi KADNF lapen DIPRO atum angbong chingwai si kibang chi arni pen ke portal news channel akimi ingpu Longle lo jong si komatne channel kimi ingpu ji do pulote KADNF atum si verify ponpo laso atengsi DIPRO atum deng ponpo pusi lamthe chedom sarpen lamrai dengpon pinpur me non malom pherang ke claim clip pin atumta gari along ale ke choen chi aphan press puche tok dat titia tumta do lasi ke bang jilang ani pen ke jasemet digital portal news channel ke do an KADNF atum pensi ID isu ponpo jong si komatne channel kimi DIPR open NOC ave pulote lake fake news channel mate ahempu kave a channel pusi hok ponpo lapen lake methanga tumsi adai chi enang kokpo mate riksta chi enang kokpo puta jongpo
Ensuring that only genuine journalists use press text on their vehicles is crucial. Unauthorized use of press text undermines the integrity of the profession. Our proposal aims to maintain transparency. Standardized press identity cards. We propose introducing standardized press identity cards issued by our forum. These cards will prevent misuse of press text and ensure that only verified reporters can use them. We firmly believe that implementing these measures will enhance the overall credibility of digital news reporting in our region. To achieve this, we kindly request for recognition, support and collaboration in the following areas. Official recognition. We seek formal recognition of the Karbianglong Digital News Forum as the regulatory body for digital news reporting in Karbianglong and West Karbianglong. Assistance in registration process. Your support in establishing a robust registration process for new news channels, ensuring adherence to necessary criteria before obtaining LOC would be invaluable. Verifying reporters. Collaboration in verifying and authenticating reporters will contribute to maintaining professional standards. Standardized press identity cards. We appreciate your collaboration in introducing standardized press identity cards to prevent misuse of press text. Capacity building programs. Access to resources and expertise for training programs will empower digital news reporters. Grievance redressal mechanism. Assistance in creating a mechanism for handling complaints related to digital news reporting would be highly beneficial. We are confident that with your support, we can uphold the integrity of digital news reporting in Karbianglong and foster a culture of responsible and ethical journalism. We eagerly await your positive response and the opportunity for collaboration. Thank you for consideration and request.
Nangli ok arlo kiso topik pen nangli se kachilang chia phan kadure do ikma amar jiwana dawai nangli anam kijum pen long ikchi amar jiwana dawai lake nangli ok arlo akiso ason do anta kipa metek aja kong do labang swa dawai kilong jia dim lake difu bokajan contact number 70026555078 dokmuka contact number 9101681010 Jiri Kendeng contact number 9365 117925 along Setame Long Ikji.